equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of diagnosing and repairing the motor issue in your Rowenta RR6926WH vacuum cleaner. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and a soft brush for cleaning. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. Carefully lift the cover to expose the internal components. Once you have access, inspect the motor for any visible signs of damage or debris. Use the soft brush to clean any dust or dirt that may have accumulated around the motor. This is crucial as blockages can lead to overheating and performance issues. Now, let's check the motor's electrical connections. Using the multimeter, set it to the resistance setting and test the motor terminals. If you find an open circuit, it indicates that the motor may need replacement. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. If the motor appears to be in good condition, check the wiring for any frays or breaks. Repair any damaged wires with electrical tape or replace them if necessary. Once you've ensured all connections are secure, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully place the cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling during operation. Before testing the vacuum, it's a good idea to clean the filters as well. A clogged filter can also affect the motor's performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Now, plug the vacuum back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate further issues. If the vacuum runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully diagnosed and repaired your Rowenta RR6926WH. If you still experience problems, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service to get your appliance back in working order. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in restoring your vacuum cleaner to its full potential. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.